Hello, dear Africans. The Association of African Startups is turning 5. Here's a brief recap of what we have done in the last 5 years. In the first year, we took African entrepreneurs through the rudiments of doing business here in Africa. By the second year, we went into sectoral analysis, where we picked industries ranging from fashion to lifestyle to tech to services, even to indeed cosmetics, to help them know the nitty-gritty of this industry so that it can truly be profitable and add value to our economy. By the third year, we took them into what it meant to truly be full-fledged entrepreneurs. By this, we combine every aspect of the entrepreneur's life so that they are not just doing well in their businesses, but all the indices that make sure they do well is taken care of. By the fourth year, we went into multiplying in the 21st century. You'll agree with me that Africa as a whole and majority of the nations across the world have experienced economic and political instability. So it was necessary for us to help entrepreneurs develop the right mindset that would help them multiply irrespective of the economic and political shocks going on within our nations. Now, this is year 5. With year 5, we're making a different turn totally. So what we are doing is stakeholder engagement. We are identifying the critical problems that is indeed hindering our ability to do business with ease and gathering the experts to come and indeed do justice to these problems by creating African-centered solutions by Africans to truly be able to move us forward, both as entrepreneurs, as nations, and as economies as a whole. So, if you're an African entrepreneur and you have been looking for a way to share your opinion, to indeed tell the government how you want them to help you create an enabling environment for your business to thrive, this year is the year to be a part of the movement. We are looking to have you join us at the Association of African Startups so that together we can create the solutions that help our businesses thrive within our nations in Africa. www.taasafrica.org/registration. This is the time for your voice to be heard. We can't wait to see you.